Welcome. If you want to stay ahead of the latest trends and never miss a new creator pin on Pinterest, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to enable in-app notifications for new creator pins so you can keep your inspiration feed fresh and up to date. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your personalized settings. Once you're in, head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping on your profile icon, usually found at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, at the very top of your profile page, you'll see your profile picture. Tap on it to open your account settings. This is where you can customize your Pinterest experience, including how you receive notifications. Next, scroll down and look for the notification option. Tap on it to enter the notification settings menu. Here, Pinterest gives you control over what alerts you receive, so you're never overwhelmed by unnecessary updates. Under the section labeled Activity from Creators, find the option that says New Pins from Creators You Follow. This is the key setting that will let you know whenever your favorite creators post something new. To make sure you get notified directly within the Pinterest app, simply toggle on the in-app option. Once this is enabled, you'll receive instant notifications whenever a creator you follow shares a new pin. This way, you'll never miss out on fresh ideas, trending content, or exclusive inspiration from the creators you love most. And that's it. With these quick steps, you've now set up in-app notifications for new creator pins on Pinterest. Stay inspired, stay connected, and enjoy exploring all the amazing content your favorite creators have to offer. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Pinterest tips and social media tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.